Our Earth is a part of something called the solar system. The solar system has 8 planets. There are 4 inner planets. Those are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and 4 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Here you can see the different sizes of the planets. As you can tell, Jupiter is the largest of the planets, and it is known as the gas giant. The third closest planet to the Sun is our planet, the Earth, and the closest one is Mercury. One of the largest components of our solar system is the Sun. The Sun isn't a planet, it's a star. And the Sun's energy that heats our Earth comes from nuclear fission. And that's where hydrogen is converted into helium inside the Sun. This energy is released, and that is in the form of heat and light, and that is how our Earth is lit during the day, and it is how we are heated